so clearly I forgot to record an intro for this video, but by this point you guys already know what's going on. We're just going to get right into it, and I'm going to be painting my entire face white. If you have any questions about what products I'm using, they are going to be listed in the description bar down below, so make sure you check that out. But to go ahead and add some dimension to this white face, we are going to be adding this grayish mauve tone from the Makeup Revolution palette as like a base, and then I'm going to go in with this purple shade to kind of add more color and build that up even more, and also kind of put it in the place of like a blush. Now Miss Spider has two very prominent arches at the top of her face, almost like in the shape of a heart. So while I'm contouring the nose, I am going to be extending that line over my natural eyebrow. You want to be careful with this step and try to be as precise as possible to make it even with the other side, because along this line, this is where we're going to paint on her eyebrows. And I already had in mind that I wanted to give an illusion with her eyes, so I am going to be painting them over my eyelids and my eyes will be closed. So here I'm just kind of sketching out how the eyes are going to lay on my lid, and then we're going to go ahead and move on and create our new lid. She does have a very simple eyeshadow look, so I'm just taking this purple shade and packing that on the inner and outer corner of our false lid. And I'm taking a pink eyeshadow and putting that right in the center just to build up some dimension. And then we're going to go back to those shades that we used on the face and kind of hollow out our eye sockets. And this is where we're going to draw on her eyebrows. Definitely take your time, and I would absolutely recommend putting your elbow on a flat surface. That way you can make sure your hand is pretty steady. So we are going to be moving back to the eyes. She does have two yellow eyes on each side, so I'm just taking some black eyeshadow and just kind of sketching out the circles, and then we're going to be filling in all of that blank space with black face paint, and I am going to be going over that with some black eyeshadow just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. And then I'm using some yellow face paint. All of this face paint is from Snazaroo, by the way. But I'm going to be filling that in, and then we're just going to use some eyeliner to create a wing and then also to create the pupil. This is where things are starting to get exciting because you could really start to see the illusion come to life. Don't forget to tightline your waterline on the top and the bottom. That way no skin peeks through. And then we're going to go ahead and add some eyelashes. This might feel a little bit weird because you're not adding it to your regular lash line. This is basically going to be like in the crease of your eye, but trust me, it's going to look way more realistic. Alright, we are reaching the end. You're just going to add some red lipstick. I like using a black liner when it comes to my red lipstick. I feel like this combo is just elite. It always looks so good. And then to finish off the chest piece, I'm just going to be using some black face paint to fill in those negative spaces. And that's going to complete the look. The last touch is adding some fangs. And then I just made a little prop of some spider legs and added that to my back. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you do subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. That way you don't miss out on any of my other looks. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!